Yo, what's up, guys? And today we're gonna be going into the new pirate ship over there in Animal Company. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. So let's go. So you're gonna need a grappler, a fishing pole, and you're gonna want a golden 4-leaf clover. I'll have a short on how to get it.
But that's optional.
Optional, but it will help you out.
It gives you luck. Yeah.
You're gonna want a bag. And what else do you need?
This is optional. If you're in a public, you want a bubble, because there's a lot of people that go there and they
But
will
we're in the
murder
private,
you.
so we don't need that right now.
Yeah, but I'm still gonna bring it because it's cool. Let's go.
You guys ready? Let's go.
I am Rainbow.
What are you doing off the
Bro,
ship?
I was off the boat.
Okay, so what do we do now?
It dropped me off the boat.
Do we just fish?
Hey, Easton.
Why do you have all the 4-leaf clovers?
Why not?
So do we just
Easton,
fish
and
now?
then there's this cool thing over here where it shows who has the best fish.
Oh, so this is all it is for the update?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, and
so,
these cool items.
yeah.
Let's see who can get the coolest fish.
Yeah. It's only for the lobby?
Yeah.
Is it for
Yeah,
the
and
lobby?
then the other side is everything.
Okay.
Is on the other side.
I'm hooked,
AC
I'm hooked, I'm
record.
hooked. Let's see what I catch.
Dang, he's back. Yours is quick. You're on that.
No way. No way.
That's huge.
While you're filming a video, the first fish you catch.
That is
I know.
insane. And I wasn't using any bait either.
Wait, I think it's only if you sell it, it shows up on it. It doesn't show.
That's crazy. First fish, no bait.
Yeah,
That's why you gotta have the 4-leaf clover.
Dang. I recommend
wait,
selling
yeah,
it
we do
because
have
your
4-leaf
selling thing will
clovers.
recharge. You don't want it in your bag.
Got another fish.
Got a
What is-
goldfish.
Oh, I got a crappie. So you don't want to put it in your bag?
You don't.
But
'Cause-
what if I want to sell this?
Well, if you want to just sell it, then you can save it. But
3,000!
if you want to put it on here, you want to do it now because your team will reset.
I did. I just did.
You guys, I'm so lonely. Nobody's fishing with me. Wait, I've almost got a fish. Yay, guys, I got the best fish. It's going.
What is this?
What? It's an angler.
Oh my!
Wait, oh!
This is a cool fish!
Catch those.
2,000!
Kiss
I
it.
got the
Oh my!
world.
Oh my goodness!
Ethan, once I kissed one and it gave me something.
You kissed it?
And it gave me coins.
You kissed it?
Oh, you get the heart torso from that.
Oh, the
Yes,
3 heart
finally.
fish thing? That's so ugly.
Yeah. I got
How
it
are you
down.
first?
Because I got a bigger heart fish. I don't know.
I didn't get a heart fish, I got a rainbow fish.
I got a heart fish. Or kissy fish, whatever they're called.
The big one.
I know. It's weird.
Come on. I hope
And Sam's not even
guys,
up there. Sam's not even up
Easton.
there.
Easton, a while ago, I was in Mines and I saw the witch, the grandma.
You didn't.
Oh.
You didn't know she was in there?
Is that what?
And bro,
No, like what's she
this
called?
Toasty's girlfriend. Bro,
Oh, that was what it was.
Guys, I got a fish.
What is it? Bruh. Dead. You.
What are these
Come on, please be a
fish?
good one.
Oh my. These fish.
Come on, please. Ooh, that's a ghost.
Wait,
No, I'm not using this.
guys. This is metal, right?
Yeah,
How are we grappling? Wait, Easton.
it's a.
I can grapple to this. This is metal.
I know. Wait,
What?
Stag,
What?
Stag, I need to show you something.
Just a second. I'm fishing. What is this? Oh, it's a carp. What?
There's an inside to the ship.
There's an inside?
Should we go check that out?
Yeah, check that out.
But it's over by the teleporter.
There's a teleporter?
Or like the teleporter that teleports you home. Going this way? Why are we going this way? It's the other way. You guys are so weird.
Hey, I haven't seen this update yet. It's your guys' fault.
I'm talking to
That-
somebody else, not you guys.
I haven't seen the update.
Alright,
Oh my-
guys, this is the inside.
Well, this is sick.
Wait, Stag, come here. Look back. Look at what that says. There's blood on the wall.
The captain is dead?
Yeah.
I want to go in. How do I go in?
There's probably a key.
Maybe a fish? It's not a fish.
Oh.
Here, we should go back and come back with the teleport gun.
Yeah.
Yes, let's go back with the teleport gun.
Okay. Should I bring my fishing rod again?
Huh, yeah. Here, teleport gun. I'm gonna bring
Okay.
you some. Easton, I'm bringing you a teleport gun. Easton. Easton. Okay.
Yeah.
Come here. We're going into the captain's room.
Are we going?
Yeah, I got Easton teleport gun right here. Easton? What is going on here? Easton! There's a teleport gun right here. He is currently
We go?
bugging out. So let's go, let's go.
Oh,
Nick, where are you?
Go into the
we're on
captain's
the
room door.
inside of the ship.
Oh my,
Where's the teleport gun?
on the boat. The smaller boat.
Hey, Stag, how do you stick it through the door?
Okay. So the way you do it is you grab it, put it down against the end, and then grab the little ball. Try to aim
Oh.
downward, because I aim too far up. Oh! Sam, there's nothing. There's nothing. There's nothing. There's nothing in there. I almost fell into the water. Let's go fishing.
My gosh. Guys, I got the best fish.
Nice. Oh, oh. Actually, what if we go up to this?
Hey, where'd you go?
Right here. Okay, let's go.
What were you saying?
Get ready for Sam. Sam, we gotta wait for Sam.
He already went through.
No, he didn't.
Hey, wait, where?
He did not go through. He's
Yeah?
right here. Okay, let's go. Hurry, get on, get on, get on. And here are all the items. A bubble machine, safe zone, portable safe zone, a katana, a medium katana, and then a big katana, and then there's a bubble stack. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. We out. Peace.